Good morning to all. I am Mango. My botanical name is Magnifica India. I originate from South Asia and king of fruits. I am national fruit of India and rich in vitamin A, C and my colors are yellow, orange and green. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Pineapple. My botanical name is Ananas cosmosus. My originate from South America. I have vitamin B6, copper, iron, potassium. Thank you. I am grapes. My botanical name is vinifera. I used to treat the problem, including cancer.
I am banana. Botanical name is Musa paramecica. My origin from Southeast Asia. My food sources vitamin C, vitamin C. Thank you.
I am apple. I am in red color. My taste is sweety. I am mango. My botanical name is Magnifica India. I originate from South Asia. I am king of fruit. I am rich in vitamin A, C and D. My colors are yellow, orange and green. Thank you. I am apple. My botanical name is Malas Pomila. My origin from Kazakhstan, Central Asia. I am baby fruit. I am red color. I get lot of vitamins. Thank you. I am mango. Botanical name is Magnifica India. I am originated from Southeast Asia. I am orange. Botanical name is Citrus inatensis. My color is orange. My origin is from Myanmar. I am rich in vitamin B6, vitamin B. Thank you.